In this video, you're going to learn how to add someone to Google Analytics. And this could be a colleague, this could be a freelancer, this could be a client if you've created the Google Analytics account for them. And to get started, then you just want to come to the admin section. And then under the view, you can see user management. Now, you will need to be an admin on Google Analytics in order to do this. So if you're not an admin on the property and view, you won't even see this option to actually manage the users. But if you do, then you can click in, and it's in here that you can add permissions. So all you need to do is just pop in their email address, and then you can actually set right here the different privileges that you're giving them access to. So you can toggle them on and off. You can see that if you give them edit, they have all the options, and you can see the different options and toggle them there. Now, if you want to understand better what those privileges are, there's an explanation here. And then if you click learn more, you can actually see a full explanation of this as well. But if you're handing it back to a client, well, then you really want to give them the top access to really edit it and manage users. If you just want somebody to read and analyze reports and not to add filters and goals and things like that, then it could be read and analyze access. So it depends on the type of access you want to give, but all the instructions are there and details about what accesses you are giving by toggling them on and off. And it's really that simple. So it's a simple task, but it can be very helpful just to know to come into your admin section and then click on user management in order to add someone to Google Analytics.